Hello, good morning and welcome. It's the 7th of July and we start off as ever. It's just after 8 o'clock, sorry, the UK Open. Start off as ever with the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. We've seen a little bit of a sell-off in this pair. We're short 5.3 to 1 on divergence with the commitment of traders. The commitment of traders added 4,000 short positions to the New Zealand dollar. So this is quite an extreme high where we've had divergence on the RSI with the candle chart. So we've bounced off this once and off the resistance on the RSI. This blue line is resistance. And we expect this to follow on down. Euro GBP, British pound. Well, we've just been hanging around the tops here. The strength that we've had in the euro is unbelievable. There was a meeting yesterday, and it's been completely and utterly misread by the speculators. All they said was, if the conditions warrant it, they're not adverse to an interest rate hike. Why on earth would they want one? The conditions don't warrant it. So it was completely meaningless statement, but the speculators have picked up on it, and they've put money into the euro, and it's shot up. So that was a disaster as far as I'm concerned, or basically a good selling point. USD CAD, we're still hanging around support here. There's more weakness in the oil price, so the Canadian dollar is probably going down. And we've got the non-farm payrolls today, which won't make a dramatic difference as long as they're above 100,000, which 100,000 is about the jobs they need created every month. That's how many new people they've got entering the job market every month. So as long as they're above 100,000, everything will be fine. The commitment of traders, they're about just over 2 to 1 long this pair. USD JPY up at highs again. A little bit of weakness on the yen. There again, there's a little bit of weakness on the dollar. So, you know, it hasn't really made any massive moves. It's up at resistance, which is unbelievable again. Pound New Zealand dollar, we are expecting the divergence on this is 6.9 long. So we've come up off the bottom here. We're going to close the gap, and then we're hoping that we're going to move further on. So there's a long way to go on this pair, you know. So I think this is going to be a good trend up. We're actually above the 50 on the RSI, so that's a good move. But it's not. It just sort of limped across. It didn't actually sort of like stride across. That's plenty of time yet. USD Mexican peso, a little bit of weakness in the dollar. It's come back down a little bit, but it is above the 50 on the RSI. So you know, I would like to see a bit of movement in the markets, but this has been, apart from the euro going the wrong way for me, the markets have been very, very quiet. You know, it's frustrating. None of the pairs will do quite what I want them to do, but that's Forex. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Catch you tomorrow. Bye. Hello and welcome. I'd like to introduce you to my web page. This is forexforsteadyprofit.com. That's the website. You got the usual home, about, and services, plus the subscription page. And once you've subscribed, you can enter the Members Center. In the Members Center, you will get my weekly CFC data report, a daily video which will include the pairs. There's about 14 at the moment, plus any of interest that are up and coming, confirmed by the Commitment of Traders report, that are at turning points and should be looked at. I'll also include even more detail as to resistance and support, and use trend lines more on the RSI, and give more information in general. Trade diary, I give my ideas and or positions that I'm taking on individual currencies, and then there's my bespoke Forex for steady profit Skype details. Okay, well, hope to see you there soon, and happy trading. Thank you. Bye.